what's up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. What's good? So today we have a small review that I'm doing. A company reached out to me called Eerya. E-E-R-Y-A. They sent me this hair. It is the Passion Twist water wave Bohemian braids. Okay, I'll have pictures and everything linked throughout the video. It is a synthetic hair. It comes 6 packs in one pack. It is 18 inches long, and you have a variety of colors to pick from. There was the brown, the gold, the black, various colors as such. It does come with a crochet hook. It comes with some hair accessories as well. It's pre-looped. You do need to twist it. So once you put it in, you are going to have to twist it down and blend it in with your hair. It was soft. It wasn't an odor. I've had hair that has smelled funny. It wasn't any odor. My hook got caught once or twice. Crochet, I think that's just part of the crochet deal. It got caught a little bit, and when I put it through, I did get a snag. Nothing that I couldn't recover from. So I was still able to keep going with my daughter's hair. The video, of course, of me actually installing some, can't find it. I have everything but that. The life of a YouTuber. Nonetheless, it is pre-looped. And that's really it. Yeah, that's really it. You're going to see in the next clip the package, from the package to some pics of my daughter and just a little video of me showing her hair. Again, I'm new to doing twists, and I'm trying to learn a good product to twist her hair in. So if you can recommend some in the bottom, let me know. And let's get right to this short review, okay? Thank you. Hold on. All right, so that's it. That's all. My daughter did love her hair. She and of course she had a couple of ouches because getting latch hook, you know, and then was the ponytail method, the rubber band method rather. So she had a little, but it's all done. She loves her hair. Eerya was nice enough to give me a coupon code. It will be a link down in the description box, as I stated before. You click that link, put in the special code, and you guys can get some money off your purchase. Thank you, Eerya. I appreciate that. And my subscribers, thank you as well. So hopefully you enjoyed this video. Let me know, do you love Passion Twists? Do you wear them? Would you consider wearing them? And yeah, that's it for this video. Short and sweet. And thank you for tuning in. Have a good one.